Hello friends, it's Daryl. I've got a little project we're going to start on here. It's going to be a series of repair videos on an antique motorcycle. I'm really excited about this one. I haven't worked on a vintage motorcycle in a long time. I'm really excited to dig into this one. The Honda Scrambler CL175, 175 cc's, I think 20 horsepower. Supposed to top out about 75 miles an hour. Of course, with my fat body on there, it's not going to go that fast, but the engine seems to be in really good shape. The guy said it was running 4 years ago, but he recommended going through and doing a full tune-up, adjustments on it, and such like that. It's all complete. Everything's there except clear title. It's got the side cover for it. That extra rack on the back is kind of cool, but it's rusting really bad. We're going to start from scratch. We're going to go through this whole project and recondition this and get it ready to run within the next, hopefully, month or so, maybe.
A few weeks, maybe.
First thing we're going to do is take the gas tank off. It's got some crud in it. We're going to clean the gas tank. We're going to go into the side cover right there and clean the points and check the points. Check the spark plugs. Clean the carburetors. Set the ignition timing and the timing chain tension. And change the oil and clean the filter. Once we get those things done, we've got a little bit of wiring to do. We've got a throttle cable we need to install. And it's got brand new tires on it. The tires are brand new on this thing. We're going to check all the lights, make sure they work, and then fire it up. It needs a new battery, but you know, a lot of this stuff is easy to do, and I've done a lot of it in the past. I've got my certified motorcycle mechanic son, Dan, to help out with it if I have any problems, and I'm really excited to dig into this vintage motorcycle from 1972. It's going to be fun.